Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to clean up Claude Workspace. So first, open Claude and sign in to your account. Next, click Projects from the left-hand side menu. Next, select the project where you want to remove a file. Once the project is open, look for the File section in the bottom right corner. So here you'll see a list of all the files that have been added to the project. You can also check the file names and file types to make sure you're removing the correct one. So to delete a file or files, simply click the X button next to the file you want to remove. So right here. So click on it and the file will be removed. Now, if you want to delete multiple files, so you can click this box right here. So you can check that and click this delete icon or delete button, and those files will be deleted. So keep in mind that removing a file here only removes it from the project. So it doesn't delete the original file from your computer or wherever you originally uploaded it from.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now, let's continue.
Once the file is removed, it will no longer be available as part of that project's files. And that's it. So you can repeat the same steps to remove any other files you no longer need. Thank you for watching.